Why did you choose to take the night class?
I got a job, so I got to make money and to pay for this. So that's the main reason, and it's more relaxed, less people here, less people breathing all over you. So I like being around less people. So I'm not a people person. So
Why fabrication? What do you want to take it to?
I don't even know. My whole life, I've always been able to take things apart, put them back together, but never really fabricate my own stuff. So that was like my biggest fear. So I was like, I might as well attack that and make it maybe a job, but if not, always get the skill because they teach you so much more than fabrication here. So it's fantastic.
Well, I took it because I have work, and this schedule works perfectly for what I gotta do. I come straight from work to here, and I get all night just to work on everything we do here, and yeah, I love it very much.
More of a night person. I don't learn well getting up early, so thought I'd set myself up for success. I did the carbon fiber course in 2021, got a lot of great skills, so I decided to expand the repertoire, make sure to encompass as much things as I could so I can be a viable, contributing member of society.